Here is how Aneurin Bevan University Health Board improved the staff experience of employee investigations and the impact it has had on its workforce. Aneurin Bevan University Health Board worked in social partnership to develop a new approach to improve the staff experience of its employee investigations and implemented training to support this programme of work. The approach includes focusing on the initial assessment stage of an investigation to determine whether an investigation is necessary and to consider alternative options. The approach is person-centred to help develop a culture that considers opportunities for learning and supports employee well-being. The programme of work led to a reduction in the number of investigations and the time it took for investigations to be completed. This resulted in lower staff absence and identified financial savings. Engagement with trade unions throughout the development of the new approach and implementation of the training was very important, and helped to provide individuals with confidence in the new approach and the difference it was seeking to make. Leading processes with compassion, creating a learning culture, and making investigations a last resort. The training encourages attendance from a number of different stakeholders, including human resources, management, well-being, and trade union representatives, to help enable the effective application of learning. Aneurin Bevan University Health Board has subsequently partnered with Health Education and Improvement Wales to provide the face-to-face training across NHS Wales and explore the opportunity to share more widely across the Welsh public sector. For further details, please visit HEIW.